I got you. This time.
Say Telvin.
I went from hitting licks to get a hit to dreaming big and writing hits. And I predict start with my rhymes and drop a beat. Mixing some crime will cook a feast from west to east. If I believe up in these dreams and work hard, they'll come true, my nigga. Oh, what I could do to niggas that be lying to my face like I'm some fucking stupid nigga. Ruthless trigger in my verse, extended clip, go get a hearse. Instrumental, subliminal is the minimal component. What I'm doing, fuck going in, I'm going through it. Every day I make a way, appreciate what I was gave. Never too late from saving change to copping J's just like they nothing. Every discussion in production let me know just who be frontin'. I can tell telepathy, I read your mind from what I see. Talking cash and popping tags, but your whole fit looking like trash. Just pay attention to the difference of a nigga really getting it, really want it. 100% I'm putting in to make it fit, really want it. 100% I'm putting in to make it fit. Put so much time into these lyrics, can't explain a single feeling, but I'm giving it my all. That's every gram that I was given. Ain't talking tree, I'm talking talent. Bass and treble, find a balance. In my room producing, started off as just a clueless youngin' that wanted to rap, will make music to be exact. I don't care if I'm on the mic, just want the chance to live that life. So I did what I heard them niggas talking about on wax. From selling crack to smoking backs and ended up on the tracks. Guess that wasn't the right track route. Tried fitting in, got cast out, but I never had a doubt. One day I'm gonna be the man, just wish that day was right. Now 1 million records sold, couple million in accounts. Car money spent on clothes and still got something to pass out. If anybody in my fam need, then I gotta make it be, and everybody gon' be fly if we barely getting by. I'ma spread the fortune out and stack it high from end to end. So with this song I begin.